Hi there. Today we're gonna learn how to use the tomato tying machine. It's used mostly for tomatoes, and it works by having a rubber, a plastic tape inside, which goes and feeds to the clipper. Inside we also have some staples. Importantly, I'm gonna show you how. There aren't much left, so there are 2 bundles. Important to stick them looking for upwards so that they can staple the plastic together. So we insert the spring inside, we clip the clips, and imagine this was a tomato. So first we must be sure the plastic is a bit long so that we can catch it. So first we catch it, then we push around the branches. It's easier to do than you think, and then we press and clip it with the staples. It cuts it on the go, and there we have a tie down system with a stapler, and which is immediate. You can get used to doing it. It's very easy. That's it. And then you can do it on the go, for example. Okay, I have to get used to it again because it's been a long time since I used it. As easy as pie. So these will be secure. They won't come off easily, and then you can cut them when it's time and dump them in the recycle bin with the plastics. This tool is very efficient for those who have lots of plants to tie down, and can be found on various sites for sale. So let me show you. Usually there are various online sites. They are called tomato tires. They tie down the tomato plants to the stakes, and as an added support. They are a great tool when you have a large amount of plants. Next week we're gonna talk about a hand pump, which works with batteries, and it's great for its small uses around the field. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.